Hi dudes, this is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to work on adding and subtracting with inequalities. So an inequality is a less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than equal to. When we get these, they're going to have us solve a problem, and then when we get down to this level, they're going to ask us to put it on a number line. To put it on a number line, you put the number in question in the middle, a number bigger than it, and a number smaller than it. If it is just less than, it's going to be an open circle. And then it says any number that's smaller than -1. So then we're going to shade all the numbers that are smaller than -1. So number line again, number in question in the middle, number bigger than it, number smaller than it. Because it's or equal to, that means that it could be -3 or it could be a different number. So we're going to do a closed dot. Then it says a number bigger than -3. So greater than. Number in question in the middle, number bigger than it, number smaller than it. Because it's just greater than, there's no or equal to. It's going to be an open circle and says pick a number bigger than 0. So I'm going to shade bigger than 0. Then I have 2, bigger, smaller, closed dot because of this or equal to. And then it says pick a number smaller than 2. So I'm going to shade the number smaller than 2. So the next step is they're going to give us a problem. And we have to get x all by itself. So it's just like our equal sign. We're going to draw a line down the middle. To get rid of this +2, I'm going to do -2. So x is less than 1 minus -2 is -1. I make my number line, number in question in the middle, number bigger than it, number smaller than it. It's open because it's just less than, and it says pick a number less than -1. So I'm going to shade to the left. Line down the middle, +1 to both sides to make this cancel and get x all by itself. And it's going to be greater than or equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. So to graph that, number in question's in the middle, number bigger than it, number smaller than it. It's going to be a closed dot because of the or equal to. And it says pick a number bigger than 6. So I'm going to shade to the right. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.